As fast as you can go, that's it. Run back down there. Let me see how fast you can run. Run fast. Oh, that ain't fast. And you want to bring this, but don't want to carry it. See, stop. There go a dog. Come here. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. See that dog over there? That's what Daddy was talking about. Let me show you. Let me show you. Walk this way. Stay by me. This is what Daddy be telling you about. See this dog right here? Come here. See this dog? That's why if you're too far away from me and that dog run at you, can you see him? Ain't nothing I can do about it.
I just said
You all right? She carrying him back down the thing. He ain't that big. That's what I was talking about. Look, it's about to rain again. See, I can't take you to the park. See the clouds? It's like on the game, huh?
Yeah.
Look at the clouds in the sky right here.
Yeah, we have to run.
Huh?
I don't run.
Okay, run back this way. All right. Monkey man.